You know, it's been roughly 3 days since we got this car to start for the first time. And we're still trying to figure out why it's not staying running. I'm starting to think that we don't know what the hell we're doing. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am out here in the garage where Ethan is finally doing some work on his car. I've been pretty much doing everything as you guys have seen from the videos. But today what he's doing is taking off this valve cover. The reason he's doing that is because he wants to get up here to his VVTs and trade them out for the ones that were on his original engine, which we know work. So just trying to figure out why this engine isn't starting. We changed out the...
It starts.
It starts, but why it doesn't stay running? Why it doesn't stay running. So what we collectively did, me more as a moral support type and him as more of the physical work type, changed out the sensors here. We did a realignment of the crankshaft positioning sensor, but it's still not reading right. And another reason that it could be is because of these. Now, we don't know if those were in good working order on the other engine or if perhaps they went bad in transport. We don't really know, but we know the ones on our engine that was originally in this vehicle did work. But unfortunately, you have to remove this to get those off. So it is what it is. He is doing the majority of the work, and once again, I'm here for moral support, which I think we can all agree is really where all the work comes from, you know? Teamwork makes the dream work. This is a team. I am the dream. Well, here I am again underneath the car doing all the work. Yep. Ethan has gone inside, and I'm out here by myself. Hey! Nobody's talking to you. So here I am out here all by myself doing the work again. So, things will start getting done.
You didn't actually pinch your finger, so.
I never said that I did.
Yeah, but you acted like you did.
No, I didn't. I
had
act
a
like
bigger reaction than I did.
Yeah, but I acted like I cut it, and there's a line there. Like you can see where it was on the verge. You see that line?
Oh, yeah.
That's in the verge.
There's like 3 of them.
No, right here. right there on that.
Uh-huh.
Are you done yet? It's one freaking screw.
It's a bolt, actually.
You know what? If we're talking all actualities, this is my car, so I need you to get it fixed so I can take it back out on the road. Your bike is over there in the corner. Here's the original one. That's the one that's going to go in there. All right. So after some controversy here, Ethan has the new VVTs in there. Well, new to this engine VVTs. He's just trying to get the bolt back in place, which he seems to be struggling with, and I don't know why. Everything back together. Most of the sensors from the old engine have been swapped over to the new engine. Ethan is gonna hop in, give it a start, listen for that magic.
I think it's probably battery.
All right, hold on. Let's hook up the battery.
Ready?
Yep. Maybe you need to let it sit for a second. Jesus Christ. Did you hit the button?
No key detected? My key's probably dying.
Shake it around. There you go. See? Now try it. If that works, I'm going to laugh. I don't know if it sounds worse. Definitely doesn't sound worse. Don't know if it sounds better, though. All right, give it some gas then.
Maybe it's just not tuned.
Maybe. Yeah, let's just put it back up on Facebook Marketplace. And just say, fresh engine, 16K, we know what we have.
Running, battery's dead, please tow.
Yeah, exactly. Perfect. See, you know what's up.
I mean, at least we know what it's not.
All right. Attempting start on Facebook Focus. Take 43. I think the battery's dead.
Yeah, you think?
Facebook Focus, engine start, take 45. Facebook Focus, engine start, attempt number 46. Impatient 47th start of Facebook Focus ST. Right now, trying to charge again. Machine is saying that we got a bad battery. Ethan went ahead and grabbed a new battery for his key. I'm going to go ahead and just switch this over to engine start and see if we can at least get a crank out of it. Nothing. New battery in the car. Trying it again. See if it works. gotta wait for it to get through the rails. Just let it sit for a second. Sounds healthier. Sounds a lot better. Ethan is out here working on getting a new crank positioning sensor on there. He did a test on this one. You did a test on that one, right? You weren't finding any resistance, so it seems like it's bad. So that could be the issue, as we really get up in here underneath his nose. It came with instructions here. We finally found instructions. It says that it has to get lined up. Stop moving it. It has to get lined up with the 5th tooth here on this. So we're gonna hope that that is correct, and he's gonna start getting everything lined up, and we'll do test number 52 to get this thing started. New sensor in place. Hop it inside. Start number 52 attempt.
I feel like this number changes every time.
Yeah, because numbers go up. Big difference. Hold on. What happens if you try and give it a little bit of beans? Not much, a little bit of gas. Kills it immediately. Thing else that we're trying right now is these new spark plugs that I'm trying to focus in on, and he keeps moving all over the place.
Before and after.
Yeah, so there's a little bit of one. Where's the really bad one?
They're all really bad.
No, there was one that was really bad, where the tip was like melted.
Yeah, none of these have a tip on them.
Yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Do you check your gaps even if they say that they're pre-gapped before you put them in? Because this kid wasn't trying to do that. One chance, one opportunity. Give it some gas. It's warm. Huh?
You hear that?
That was your blow-off valve.
What?
Yes. Hit it again. It's kind of working, but not the way we need it to. The car's back on the ground, tightening up the lugs to, it's supposed to be 150, but I mean, thing's not working right now, so we're assuming he weighs 160, so if he leans on it, that should be enough. The car is currently not 100, but the wheels were moving under their own power, so we're gonna put it out on the cul-de-sac, do some turns, see if it'll stay under power, and just kind of take it from there. One step at a time, right? Let's see if she will leave the garage for the first time in months. See if it'll back up. It's not moving. Definitely got liquid on the exhaust.
More or like the same?
No, more. It's like a little puddle there. You might want to check and see what it is.
I can't tell.
Did you taste it?
Yeah.
Gross.
It tastes like water.
It might be water.
Maybe it's oil. I don't know.
Don't taste it.
I'm sniffing it.
Okay, just don't taste it anymore. Jesus Christ. So we're going to go ahead and stop the video right there. We continued to mess around with the focus for a little bit, and we came to the conclusion the timing is off. Even though we've tried to narrow it down, we think that it might be some of the parts that we reused. So we went ahead and got a whole bag full of parts. We got new sprockets, we have a new chain, we have new guides, and we have a new tensioner. The tensioner was a little iffy, but we went ahead and put it in there, and now we're paying the price for that. And since we've gone on for probably like 3 or 4 videos now about getting this car running, unless you guys put it down in the comments, we are moving on. And you might be asking, what are you moving on to? Well, if you see here behind me, we finally got in the wide body kit. So I started test fitting it over on the passenger side, and you guys can see that in the next video. And to make sure that you don't miss that, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit those bell notifications so you don't miss anything else from myself and Ethan here on this channel. Until the next one, peace.